One of the most combustible politics stories today is that the Trump administration plans to join a prayer gathering that critics say promotes Christian nationalism. AP frames it as an event that blends faith, power, and ideology in a way that is guaranteed to trigger debate, which is why this story instantly feels bigger than a routine appearance on a public schedule. The reason this story lands so hard is that it sits at the intersection of religion and government power. For supporters, it may look like a public expression of faith. For critics, it looks like official alignment with a movement that wants Christianity tied more directly to political identity and national life. That clash is what gives the headline its force. AP's reporting matters because it places the event inside the broader debate over Christian nationalism, not just conservative religion. That distinction is important. The controversy is not about prayer by itself. It is about the fear that certain religious messages are being wrapped into a political project with government blessing. People click because the tension is immediate and understandable. When a White House-aligned event draws accusations of promoting Christian nationalism, viewers do not need a long briefing to understand why it is controversial. It feels like a test case for where the administration wants to draw the line between faith outreach and ideological signaling. What comes next depends on whether the criticism remains a media flashpoint or turns into a broader argument over church-state boundaries and campaign-era messaging. If the event produces sharper reactions from religious leaders, civil liberties groups, or rival politicians, it could move from controversy to a wider national debate. That is why this is one of the strongest controversy videos today. The story is not just whether officials attend a prayer gathering. It is what that appearance signals about the kind of movement the administration is willing to stand beside in public.